Porsche.
Look at this one. Oh my. What's up, guys? On my way. It's a big time. They're having another little block party, and the store's open. Let's see how it is down there. 6th Street Bridge. Grease feels good. This might feel like a roller coaster, guys. Hold on. Here's Big Time store. Where is this? 6th and Anderson. Big Time. That's a nice Prelude. That thing is clean. More in the Mortal Kombat and shit. Alright, let's go to Big Time store. Let's see what they got in here. Here's the back. Here's the fake AE86 from China. This is the first one ever imported. Big Time bought it. Baby Ducati down here. Full table. I like the color. Oh, clothing line. That grand opening. He's a good boy. I think that's one of the Big Time guys right there. Older Ferrari too. Nice Defender right here. Like this Dodge Viper. self-delivery. Oh, carbon fiber. Wow, look at that. Porsche.
iPhone member lang.
All right, y'all. It's a nice morning in downtown LA. About to head to Porsche downtown LA for a meet. Magnus Walker Porsche meet. Too bad USA didn't do very well in the World Cup. Doing some more construction over here. They're starting to clean up the graffiti buildings. They're doing construction over here. This hasn't been open in 2 years. Pico and Figueroa has not been open for 2 years. 180,000? Oh, what? G-Wagons cost 180? No way. Oh, okay. Here's the new Porsche building. Oh, wow, this is new. Okay. Wow. It's nice looking. They got valet parkers. All right. We're here. Yeah, this building is new. It's cool. Had to use the stairs. The elevator's gonna take forever. Whew. Hey, how are you?
This is the only floor that's out in the open.
A little bit. A little bit. Whew. Nice view up here. Dealership. It's people from LA. DJ up here. It's hot out here, y'all. Look at this little thing. size difference is crazy. Yeah, I'm not waiting in this line. Look at this line for waiting. Yeah, I'm not waiting in that line. Some nice cars. Me a ice cold Red Bull. Here's another one of these little cars. Okay, let's see what's on level 2. Let's see, level 4. Nothing but Porsches. Wow. Ooh, look at this. This is the one right here. Oh my goodness. And this is factory with the flat. Oh, okay, I know why. This is the YSAT package. That's Nürburgring. That's a Nürburgring right there. This is a special edition right here. Oh man. Level 3's cafe. You can watch your car get worked on. Wow. This is cool. Oh, it feels amazing in here. Oh my God. Oh, it feels so good. This is cool. You can make your own coffee. Dope. Yo, I'm not gonna pour myself a glass of wine. Ooh. It's amazing in here. It's literally like a museum. They got massage chairs. Must scan before use. Maybe later. All right, first floor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace.